Hey guys, so if you have the issue that Serato is not reading external hard drive, so often after updates you need to re-grant Mac OS access to drives. This has zero to do with Serato, that you want to just go into your system preferences and dig around in the security privacy settings. Make sure stuff like files, folders has Serato listed as having access to removable and network volumes. And that's pretty much it. So yeah. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.